Everything RF. Latest aerospace and defense news. September 2024. Paraso secures major military contract for advanced M-wave technology in combat applications. L3 Harris awarded contract to develop next-generation low-band jammer for the U.S. Navy. BAE Systems acquires Kirintech to strengthen its cyber and electronic warfare capabilities. Atheros Analytics to analyze Ka-band propagation for ground station placement for military satellite networks. Hensoldt develops compact radar system for monitoring uncontrolled airspaces. SPX Communication Technologies launches entry-level real-time airborne data link for ESAR applications. Dutch Ministry of Defense purchases mobile radar systems for drone detection in Ukraine. Neta Communications introduces Ka-band Manpack VSAT antenna system for military and civil applications. Austrian Armed Forces and Aeronia secure Europe's largest airshow with Airtos anti-drone system. Mercury introduces compact direct RF digital signal processing products powered by Altera Agilex FPGAs. Norwegian military acquires new ground-based multi-mission radars from Lockheed Martin. Citigm introduces new MEMS Super TCXOs to replace Quartz OXOs in military RF systems. Everything RF, keeping you up to date with the RF microwave industry.